Call off. Call off. Did they call off the meeting? Did they call off the meeting?
Look after. Look after. She looks after her father. She looks after her father.
Look for. Look for. He's looking for a job. He's looking for a job.
Pick up. Pick up. Can you pick up some groceries? Can you pick up some groceries?
Put on. Put on. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes.
Take off. Take off. Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes.
Take out. Take out. Can you take out the rubbish? Can you take out the rubbish?
Get up. Get up. When do you get up in the morning? When do you get up in the morning?
Check in. Check in. Did you check in at the hotel? Did you check in at the hotel?
Check out. Check out. When do we need to check out of the hotel? When do we need to check out of the hotel?
Turn up. Turn up. Did you turn up at the airport? Did you turn up at the airport?
Put off. Put off. Did they put off the concert? Did they put off the concert?
Hold on. Hold on. Please, hold on for a moment. Please, hold on for a moment.
Bring back. Bring back. Did you bring back the library books? Did you bring back the library books?
Look up. Look up. Can you look up that word? Can you look up that word?
Run out of. Run out of. My phone is running out of battery. My phone is running out of battery.
Get along. Get along. Do you get along with your neighbors? Do you get along with your neighbors?
Turn down. Turn down. Did they turn down your job application? Did they turn down your job application?
Look forward to. Look forward to. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Call back. Call back. Will you call me back? Will you call me back?
Turn up. Turn up. Can you turn up the volume? Can you turn up the volume?
Give up. Give up. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams.
Set up. Set up. I'm planning to set up a new business. I'm planning to set up a new business.
Look out. Look out. You should look out for the traffic. You should look out for the traffic.
Go on. Go on. I can go on living a normal life. I can go on living a normal life.